Hi there. I'm selling this guitar today. It's a 1957 Gibson ES 175. It is a little less than original. Doesn't have the PAF pickups anymore. It's got little 57 custom shop Gibson pickups in it. The tailpiece is questionable. I'm not sure if it's original or not. I think it might be, but I'm not sure. The bridge has been replaced. The tuners have been on and off. It does have original style Clusen tuners on it again. These are not the originals, and in the process somebody finished the headstock. But other than that, the finish of this guitar is all original. Other than that, beautiful checking, showing its age, but it's in really good shape. It's got a really nice neck, plays really great, sounds great. The price, I'm going to start at $32.50, which for this guitar, if this guitar was all original with the PAFs and whatnot, it'd be a $10,000 guitar. For somebody who wants to get into an archtop jazz type guitar, this is a bargain. So I'm going to play it a little bit for you to let you hear it.
Does the Princeton come with it?
The Princeton comes with it for an extra $2,500.
What a deal. Thanks, man.